All right, folks, here we are in front of 6233 South Hill Farmway in Southeast Meridian. This neighborhood was originally built by Coleman, which was one of the more interesting entry-level price point builders out here. I would say they were on the high end of affordable and built semi-custom homes. This neighborhood was then bought by Toll Brothers, and this house is a wonderful example of what Coleman was building. This is their model home. You'll see that as you're looking throughout the house based on finish grade and advanced features throughout the house. Obviously the kitchen's beautiful, the stone countertops carried throughout the house, upgraded appliances. They are KitchenAid, which is the Whirlpool's high end. You got this backyard here, which is absolutely fantastic. No back neighbors, first of all, but also this is a turf soccer field that was built for the model home, and really cool low maintenance project. You'll also notice around the house the landscaping is well developed and well kept. That again is a model home thing. They put tons of bushes and shrubs in. Covered patio is nice too. They've got the shutters, the shades there to block any unwanted light and for privacy. Coming back into the kitchen here. LVP floors throughout. Hand troweled texture on the walls, which I think is a nice feature. Obviously, decent sized pantry here as well. Refrigerator sale. This home's actually for sale as we're shooting it right now. Refrigerator stays with the listing. Masters on the main in this property too, guys, which I think is a huge value add. Sort of in any stage of life home, and nice stone feature wall in the master. The shower, you could roller skate in the shower in this house. I've never seen a shower so huge. 2 shower heads as well. Dual vanities. You see the stone countertop repeated from the kitchen. I love that kind of consistency. Pretty darn good sized walk-in closet as well. All built out too with drawers and hangers and all the stuff, which is nice. So behind this house as well, there's an irrigation canal which creates about a 50-foot buffer between house and walkway. Then there's a walkway, and then there's another series of houses. But it's a really nice privacy feel to have no back neighbors on this property. This is the bathroom, half bath, and the utility room down here. Also the washer and dryer stay. The painted concrete tiles in there is a nice touch. Obviously the wood cladding in the bathroom. These are all the nice features that come along with being the model home. This house also has a 4-car garage, which I think is absolutely awesome. Nobody has ever said to me they have too much garage space, and they're currently using this as an office, obviously, but it's got a lot of functionality as, workout space, workbench, and still you could park 3 cars in the garage should you have that desire. Let's just shut that door behind me. Nice modern features like the presentation of the railing here. It goes along with the exterior presentation on this house. You got your wood cladding in the stairway. LVP throughout the top floor outside of the bedrooms, which is also low maintenance. This top landing is absolutely stunning. The built-ins over there make it a very useful space as a second office, a homeschool room. I don't think I did it justice in this video here, but if you look through the windows there, you get a good look at the foothills. Then you have bedroom number 2. Pretty darn good size room, again with the feature wall. Bedroom number 3. Two full-size bathrooms here, full bathrooms, tub, shower, sink, across the hall from one another, so kids don't have to share, and/or guests gets their own bathroom. And then the biggest bedroom I've seen in a long time. This would also make a wonderful bonus room or a den should you not need the requirement of it a bedroom. It does have a closet, but it's a huge room. It's got to be at least 16, 18 by 12-ish, big old space. And then I think right at the end here, I'll take you to the window. Let's see here. Yep. The camera's not going to do it justice, but you're looking out over the community pool there, and there's no obstruction to your view of the Boise foothills, which I think is gorgeous. Tons of natural light in this house, tons of upgrades. The finish quality is impeccable, and the wallpaper and tasteful design choices throughout the house, I think, makes it a very special property. Thanks for checking it out with me today, guys. This is Orchard Creek Subdivision, 2,700 square foot house, 4 beds, 3.5 baths, no back neighbors, soccer court for a backyard. I don't know if it gets any better than this.